NASA has picked 3 companies, including Intuitive Machines, co-founded by billionaire Cam Ghaffarian, to work on developing a rover to help astronauts better explore the Moon, agency leaders announced Wednesday, as the agency prepares to return humans to the Moon for the first time in decades. $4.6 billion. That's the maximum potential value of the combined contracts, NASA said. The proposed vehicle should be able to last 10 years on the Moon and has to be able to carry 2 astronauts, accommodate a robotic arm and survive extreme temperatures in the lunar South Pole, which regularly has extremely cold temperatures and permanently shadowed areas. NASA previously said it hopes to use the Moon rover for crewed operations starting with the launch of Artemis V, which is expected in 2029. Forbes estimates Ghaffarian to have a net worth of around $2.3 billion, making him the 1,438th wealthiest person in the world Wednesday afternoon. Intuitive Machines recently became the first company to land a privately operated spacecraft intact on the Moon. The spacecraft carried several NASA experiments and commercial payloads, part of a NASA program to deliver cargo to the Moon. NASA has previously awarded contracts to space companies owned by billionaires, part of a broader effort to boost the commercial space industry. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin was awarded a contract of more than $3 billion to develop a lunar lander for Artemis V, and 2 years earlier Elon Musk's SpaceX was awarded a $2.9 billion contract to build spacecraft for the Artemis program. NASA began accepting proposals for the Moon rover last May, saying it wanted a vehicle that would allow astronauts to go farther and conduct more science than ever before, while exploring the south polar region of the Moon. The rover should work as a cross between an Apollo-era lunar rover and a Mars-style rover, NASA said, and will need to be able to work both with and without a crew. Intuitive Machines is working with Boeing, Michelin, Northrop Grumman and more on its rover, according to its press release. Lunar Outpost, whose team for the rover includes Lockheed Martin and General Motors, has also been awarded at least one NASA contract in the past. Venturi Astrolab is working with Axiom Space, Inc. and Odyssey Space Research on its rover, according to its release.